Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update syndication due diligence with EquityMultiple, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your syndication due diligence with EquityMultiple, begin by logging into your EquityMultiple account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll see an overview of your current investments. Select the due diligence option from the menu. Review the existing due diligence materials associated with your syndication. Identify any outdated information that needs updating. Gather the latest financial reports and performance metrics relevant to your syndication. If available, obtain updated project timelines and any changes in management or key team members. Navigate to the Upload Documents section to add new files. Ensure that all documents are well organized and clearly labeled for easy reference. Once the new documents are uploaded, revisit the due diligence checklist provided by EquityMultiple. Cross-check each item on the checklist to make sure all necessary updates are reflected. Take thorough notes on any significant changes that may influence investor decisions. Review the communication and feedback history related to the prior due diligence process. Make sure to address any concerns raised by investors in the past. Consider scheduling a review meeting with your team to go over the updates and clarify any questions. Finalize your updates and prepare a summary report of the changes made. Submit the updated due diligence package for approval within EquityMultiple. Monitor for any feedback or required adjustments from the EquityMultiple team. After receiving approval, communicate the updates to your investors through the platform. Maintain an organized filing system to easily access future due diligence updates. Regularly review and refresh your syndication due diligence as new information becomes available. This proactive approach ensures that your investors remain informed and confident in their decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.